Hello everybody, welcome to my video. My name is Jarrett Guiff, and this is my YouTube channel or YouTube video, Jarrett Guiff Entertainment. And I'm out here walking the trail, doing a nature walk finally, and doing like a trail out here, and doing a trail out there and stuff. But yeah, just doing a nature trail walk and just enjoying the fresh air, the warm weather that we are having here in Indiana. It's about almost like 78 degrees or 79 degrees right now, but it's so beautiful outside. But yeah, thank you for guys who all subscribed and supported me in every way, and thank you so much for all the love and support you all have. And thank you so much. Thank you so much who have supported me. Keep on supporting me. Keep on subscribing. And we get to like 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing a lot of things, but more things are gonna be coming soon. Stay tuned, and we'll be doing more videos coming soon and everything else. So keep on subscribing, keep on liking those videos and everything else. Like and subscribe. Thank you who all supported me in every way. Thank you so much. It's kind of dark, but thank you so much who all subscribed, and you all are amazing. And thank you so much for the love and support you all showing me from day one till now. And thank you so much, and hopefully we get to 1,000. So keep on liking, keep on subscribing, and hopefully y'all will see more videos coming soon. Thank you. Bye. Keep on liking those videos.